Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with Unabuja semi-pass question, biology, question 2. One of these is not a continuous variation. One of these is not a continuous variation. A, we have height. B, we have weight. C, we have tongue rolling. And D, we have skin color. What is continuous variation? And this is the keyword. Continuous variation. Now, continuous variation simply refers to this variation that involves different types of variations. It refers to the process whereby different variations are distributed on a continuum. Now, different variations are distributed on a continuum or continuously. Now, what it means is that it goes over a particular trend or a grade. Now, it doesn't have discrete values. Now, discrete values refers to values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, different stages. When it comes to continuous variation, it doesn't have discrete values, it doesn't have different stages. It goes over a series of properties or series of properties, yes. Now, example of this continuous variation are color, skin color, we have height. You agree with me that the values for colors or height are not discrete values. It doesn't go over that discrete value like different stages. But then you see people of different kind of height, different colors. Now these are referred to as continuous variation. Also we have discontinuous variation. Now for discontinuous variation, it's either you can or you can't. What I mean by that is it has discrete values. Yes, it's either you can do it or you can't. That's how the variation is. But like I told you, continuous variation goes over a trend. It's not a you can or you can't do something. Something that has different trend. You see a tall person, a taller person in that trend. But for discontinuous variation, it doesn't go over that trend. It's a direct. That's why it's called discontinuous. From the term, you should be able to know it. Now, examples of this discontinuous variation are rolling of tongue. Now, it's either you can roll your tongue or you cannot roll it. Now, that's discontinuous variation. Ability to test PTC. Now, some people have the ability to test it, some people do not have the ability. Now, if you have the ability to test it, then you can test it. If you don't have it, so it is a very direct. That's why it's called discontinuous variation. So according to our answer, they say which of these is not a continuous variation. Like I explained, height is a continuous variation. You have different heights, different weights, is a continuous variation. Skin color too. But tongue rolling, like I said, it's either you can roll your tongue or you cannot roll your tongue. So now tongue rolling is the correct answer. C. Tongue rolling is not a continuous variation. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe for more videos.